How to open WhatsApp in laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can open up WhatsApp in laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to open and use WhatsApp from your laptop, open up your Microsoft Store. In the search bar at the top, go ahead and then search for WhatsApp. Then you'll basically find two applications, WhatsApp Beta and WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp Beta will give you more features, but it could have more bugs. But if you want the stable one, you can use WhatsApp normal application here, and then just make sure to install it. If you've already installed it, you can go ahead and then open it up, and then you can just go ahead and then link your account and so on in order to use WhatsApp on computer. So you can open WhatsApp on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.